Example 4.12. In the circuit, the current is to be measured. What is the value of current if the ammeter shown is a galvanometer with a resistance Rg equal to 60 ohm, and is the galvanometer described in A but converted to an ammeter by a shunt of resistance Rs is 0.02. Third part is an ideal ammeter with fill zero resistance. Okay, we will try to see what is to be done now one by one. First part is a galvanometer with the resistance Rg is 60 ohm. So this is a galvanometer of resistance 60 ohm. Battery voltage is given. External resistance is 3 ohm. Okay. Now, ammeter is a galvanometer. Galvanometer resistance is 60 ohm. Here 60 ohm resistor is there. So what is the total resistance? Either 60, here 3. So it's a series connection. 60 plus 3, 63 ohm. So what should be the current? I equal to V by R total. Voltage is given as 3. R is 63. So current is 0.0476 ampere. Okay. Now we'll go for the part B. What is part B? The ammeter is a galvanometer described in but converted into an ammeter by a shunt resistance of 0.02. It is converted into an ammeter by a shunt resistance. Okay, galvanometer converted to ammeter with a shunt resistance R equal to 60 ohm. Shunt resistance is 0.02. This is already 60 ohm is in parallel connection with 0.02 ohm. I hope it is clear. 60 ohm is in parallel connection with 0.02. That is in the second. So first we have to find the effective resistance. 60 ohm in parallel connection with 0.02. That is R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Total resistance becomes 60 into 0.02 divided by 60 plus 0.02. 0.02 is very small as compared to 60. So we can neglect. Total resistance becomes 3 plus 0.02, that is equal to 3.02. So total resistance is nearly 3.02. Current I equal to V by R total. R total is 0.993. So in the second case, current will be 0.993. Okay, we'll go for the last part now. Is an ideal ammeter with zero resistance. There is no resistance in the ammeter. Uh, ideal ammeter. So what happened? I equal to, if there is no resistance, only external resistance will come into play. So I equal to E by R, that is 3 plus 3 equal to 1 ampere.